Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn Premium trial to unlock InMail best practices, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your LinkedIn Premium trial, first, log into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the top of your homepage. Look for the work icon in the upper right corner. Click on the work icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and select Premium from the options provided. You will be directed to a page explaining the benefits of LinkedIn Premium. Locate the button that says Start My Free Trial. Click on this button to initiate the activation process. LinkedIn may ask you to confirm your selection, so proceed with the prompts. You may need to provide payment information for future charges. Fill out the necessary information and click Continue. LinkedIn will then set up your premium account. Once your premium account is active, navigate to your messages. In the message section, you will see options to send InMail. Consider your target audience for InMail outreach. Craft a personalized message that reflects your intentions. Make sure to keep your message concise and professional. Highlight the value you can offer in your outreach. Review and send your InMail message. Track responses and engage with recipients accordingly. Monitor your LinkedIn Premium trial's duration and benefits. Utilize the resources available to maximize your trial experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.